Did you know a black hole is launching stars like a cosmic cannon? Astronomers discovered a supermassive black hole so powerful that it rips stars from galaxies and flings them into deep space. Some of these stars move so fast that they will never return, becoming hypervelocity stars, the fastest moving objects in the universe. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space.
Did you know there's a massive empty void in space? The Boots Void is a mysterious region of the universe that's 330 million light-years across, but almost completely empty. Instead of thousands of galaxies, it only has a handful. If you were inside it, you'd see nothing but pure darkness. Scientists still don't fully understand why it exists, but some theories suggest it could reveal something even stranger about the universe. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. There's a gigantic asteroid with its own ring system. Unlike Saturn or Jupiter, the asteroid Chariklo is a tiny space rock only 155 miles wide, yet it has two thin rings made of ice and dust. It's the smallest object ever found with rings, proving that even asteroids can have cosmic bling. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. Did you know there's a planet that's literally evaporating? The exoplanet GJ3470b is losing its atmosphere so fast that it may completely vanish in a few million years. Intense radiation from its nearby star is stripping away its hydrogen, causing it to slowly disappear into space. It's one of the few exoplanets we've caught in the act of being destroyed by its own star. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space.
There's a pulsar that acts like a cosmic lighthouse, and it's moving at 2.5 million miles per hour. Called the Hand of God pulsar, this rapidly spinning neutron star blasts out intense beams of energy as it flies through space. Scientists think it was launched at high speed by a powerful supernova explosion. Imagine a star moving faster than a bullet. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts.
Saturn's moon Hyperion is so porous that it acts like a giant cosmic sponge. Unlike most moons, Hyperion is extremely lightweight and full of voids, meaning it has a super low density. Scientists think it's mostly made of ice and has so many craters that it looks like a giant frozen honeycomb floating through space. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. There's a gigantic volcano on one of Jupiter's moons that erupts so powerfully you can see it from space. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active world in the solar system. Its volcano, Loki Patera, regularly spews lava fountains hundreds of miles high. If Earth had eruptions this big, they'd be visible from orbit. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. On Mercury, a single day is longer than a year. Mercury spins so slowly that it takes 59 Earth days to complete one rotation, but only 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means if you lived there, you'd celebrate your birthday before the next sunrise. Time works in mysterious ways in space. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts. Neutron stars are so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece would weigh about 1 billion tons. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars, and their gravity is unimaginably strong. If you could scoop up a tiny piece, it would be heavier than entire mountains on Earth. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts. Did you know octopuses can edit their own genes? Unlike most animals that rely on DNA mutations over generations, octopuses use RNA editing to adapt their brains in real time. This means they can change how their nervous system works based on their environment, almost like real-life genetic shape-shifting. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves science. Did you know that there's a planet where it rains molten glass, sideways? The exoplanet HD 119733b has extreme weather with scorching temperatures over 930 degrees Celsius. Its fierce winds blow at 700 kilometers per hour, fast enough to hurl molten glass through the air sideways, a truly deadly storm. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts. Did you know there's a star speeding through space at 8.5 million kilometers per hour? Meet S5HVS1, a hypervelocity star that's moving so fast it will escape the Milky Way forever. Scientists believe it was kicked out by our galaxy's supermassive black hole, sending it on a one-way trip into deep space. It's one of the fastest moving stars ever recorded. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. Did you know that Saturn could float in water if you had a bathtub big enough? Since Saturn is mostly made of gas, it's less dense than water, meaning it would actually stay afloat. Just imagine a giant cosmic bathtub with Saturn bobbing around. Now that's a relaxing space bath. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts.
Saturn's rings are disappearing. Nope, just an optical illusion. This happens when Earth passes through Saturn's ring plane. For a short time, the rings look nearly invisible. Don't miss it this March. Tag a friend and save this post.
Did you know that space smells like burnt steak? Astronauts have reported that after spacewalks, their suits have a scent similar to seared meat or welding fumes. Scientists think this smell comes from dying stars releasing particles called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. So space not only looks amazing, it has a mysterious aroma too. Did you know the moon is shrinking? Scientists have discovered that as its core cools, the moon is slowly getting smaller. This causes wrinkles on its surface and even, wait for it, moonquakes. Some of these moonquakes can last for hours. Imagine standing on the moon and feeling it shake. Who else had no idea this was happening? Tag a space lover.
Did you know our entire solar system is inside a giant bubble? This bubble, called the heliosphere, is created by the sun and helps protect us from dangerous cosmic radiation. It stretches 10 billion miles away from Earth and acts as a shield against galactic cosmic rays. Voyager 1 and 2 have even traveled beyond this bubble, making them the first human-made objects to enter interstellar space. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space.
Did you know that one day on Mars is almost the same as a day on Earth? A Martian day called a sol is 24 hours and 37 minutes long. Astronauts may need to adjust their schedules in the future.
What if our entire universe is inside a black hole? Some scientists believe the Big Bang could actually be the event horizon of a black hole in a larger universe. If true, that would mean black holes in our universe might contain their own baby universes. This theory suggests we could be part of an infinite chain of universes, each inside a black hole. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space.
Did you know there's a planet that might be completely covered in water? Meet TOI 1452b, a super-Earth that could be a real-life water world with a deep global ocean. It's 70% larger than Earth and orbits in the habitable zone, meaning it could even support life. If confirmed, it would be one of the best places to search for alien life. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space.